4:30 a.m. I woke up way too early on Saturday morning. But I'm going to be meeting up with Purple for the Brecon Beacons 4 Waterfalls trek, hike, ramble. I'm looking forward to it. Never done it before, so it's going to be fun. But anyway. The plan was to start at the first waterfall at Porthorogoff, then all the way down to the second waterfall, down to the third, then on to the fourth with the freaky underground waterfalls, and all the way back up to the starting point. Roughly 8 to 10 miles round trip depending on what route you take. But what actually happened, we went to all the waterfalls, got lost for a few miles, then eventually found our way back. Say hello, Purple.
Hello, Purple.
So we're doing the four walls.
Yeah, 4 walls. There's
four waterfalls in Brecon Beacons, or the Banner Breconiog, if you're that kind of person. And we're going to see how it goes, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice and
4 miles there, 4 miles back.
8 miles.
I'm out of breath because we've done 10 miles already.
We could wrap when we've done 8 miles.
We could. Anyway, we'll have a look.
Yeah.
Down there. I'll have to go down it. Really classing after that.
Oh no, I think they're human seals.
Oh wait, are they just gonna go? They're just gonna go swimming down there.
Oh, we can do that.
There's a drop there, but there's no water over there.
That's alright.
My guts are going in my beer.
And you have to get the nerves to jump. I do all the time. I don't know if that's my depression. I don't like his short. I don't like his green short.
My guts are going a bit. I don't mind heights, but god damn it. That is too much. Let's go bigger. I hold on to this tree. Oh my god, I just looked down. Fucking hell.
Oh, look at that, but it's
I know.
A bit weird, brother.
Oh my god. My guts are going. Oh, yeah, I almost had a slip. I fight every age not to walk over the apple.
I'm fighting for it, just
So what's this called?
Gorge walking.
What's it called?
Gorge walking.
Gorge walking. Do you mind if I film it?
Pardon?
Do you mind if I film it?
Yeah, go ahead.
So it's called gorge walking, yeah?
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this for?
I don't know. Yeah, 10 years now.
Is it? It looks stupid fun, fair play.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Hello.
Oh, how do you do?
How we going?
Arthur.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I think it's brilliant. So how did you get into this then? Do you like join a club or something?
No, I started at an adventure centre that did it as an activity. It looked good, and I got the necessary qualifications. And, yeah.
How's your morning, boys? Have you got a website?
So for these guys, it's Gorge Walking Wales or Life Changing Adventures.
Okay.
There's quite a few different companies who operate in the river, but yeah, it's a good day out.
I'll have a look, yeah.
And these guys have lucked out weather-wise.
Yeah,
lucked out?
Definitely.
It's part of who I am.
Oh, definitely, right. It's cool. I'll have a look at the website.
Yeah, please do.
We'll have to join.
Yeah, you want to float to the sea.
Yeah. All right, thank you. I think I'm coming down.
Are we filming you take a poo?
Yeah.
God, he's looking serious now. Look, he's doing his job.
You can get more of the wetsuit open like that. Yeah. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go down 1, 2, and then up 1, 2. Ready, steady, go.
Oh, he's going under.
There we go. And you can feel that cleansing water going all the way down, right? Yeah. Real clean, There we go. Fantastic.
There is a castle around here somewhere, but yeah, but I can't remember where it is. Pablo, Pablo, I want you to sprint across. Hang on, let me get closer, wait. Let me get closer. Oh shit. Oh wait. You might hurt yourself. But I believe in you.
I believe in you, Corey. You ain't no. Okay, go on then.
What? Is your phone waterproof, you say?
What?
Your phone is waterproof, yeah?
I don't know.
Oh wait, stop. Go.
There is no other rock.
Jump. Go on, don't do it, I was joking.
I don't think there's anything of value in my bag. Oh no, wait, that's not the better.
No, you ain't getting across, I'm telling you, you're not getting across. You're not getting across that. Yeah, you're definitely not crossing that. And if you get caught in there, you'll get caught in the undercurrent of your foot.
I like currents, not undercurrent.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very cool. Nah, you won't make it, trust me. Nah, don't do it. You'll be in the drink.
We need wetsuits.
I'd love to.
That's what we need, wetsuits.
I know. What the fuck am I on?
Right, we're recording, which is kind of like record.
Record. My Welshness came out there, sorry.
I'm going to record it.
This
Oh yeah,
is the map.
I love this. Have you made this at work?
I made this at work. That's where we started, at the car park. That was the horse and carriage parking which I was at when I phoned you. Yeah. And we're at there now.
Where
That's
are we?
the first waterfall.
There. Okay.
Ancient map of Brecon.
It was fashioned by the elders.
Yes.
Yeah. By Lord Rodri III.
Yes.
Yeah.
on that mark.
I'll just spot in the back.
Yeah. I saw that at the beach. So, Pablo, what's your thoughts on the first waterfall?
Very wet.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wetter than I expected.
Which part is the wet part? Yeah? Yeah, it looks wet. Yeah.
And that's the waterfall there.
Yeah, that isn't the waterfall though,
Yeah,
is it? We've already been up there to the first waterfall. That's not the waterfall. Are you going to go swimming?
Huh?
You're going to go swimming?
Go and wet the Newport top.
Newport? Oh, dragons. You know that shit's Newport.
No, it's Newport, it's cheap and disappointing.
So yeah, that's the first waterfall. Do you remember the name of it?
Yeah.
Go on.
Waterfall number 1.
There you go.
Yep. It's like Mambo number 5, but waterfall number 1.
Are you going to hack through the brush, you?
Yeah.
Are you Indiana Jones, Nathan Drake,
No.
or Michael Douglas in Romancing the Stone?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm more Danny DeVito in Romancing the Stone. Go. Lovely! Didn't even need it.
That's the death tree.
Yeah.
It's like a cool camping area, isn't it?
Should have bought the tarp. We could have put a podcast here.
Yeah.
Seems like it's a path. Seems like a dead end, but it seems like a path.
Seems like it, isn't it?
It's all fun. You're just refinding your way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, we're off. We're taking a detour, basically.
We're back in Ross on Wye in a minute.
Ross on Wye.
Ross on Wye.
Ross and the Wye's on time, all mine. Ross and the Wye's all mine.
If you carved a hole just in there, you could find a perfect home.
I know, yeah, easily.
A hobbit home.
Perfect height for me.
If you do like the miners track or the pig track,
Yeah.
like Snowdon, yeah,
Yeah.
some of it's like a 75-degree climb,
Yeah.
and then you have to like shuffle round the side.
Hmm.
Some people take a dog around.
Yeah, that's true. That was a bit weird, man.
Idiot. I mean, these ones are alright.
What's over there?
I know it sounds waterfall though.
I know. Is that the second waterfall, maybe?
Maybe.
Oh, it looks craggy and cliffy, don't it?
We could slide down on our bums like it's 1991.
Yeah. Oh, I should have put a factor 50 on my head. Like.
You're burning.
I'm not burning, but I know, because I can't feel it, I know I'm burning. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because the sweat is protecting the burn at the moment. That's my head.
We do a head examination check every fall.
Yeah.
I found the back of it for you while we were down there just in case.
This is hour one of my bonce, my bald bonce in the sunshine, without the factor 50.
I also think we should do scaffold pike at some point.
What's it called?
Scaffold pike.
Scaffold pike. I thought you talked about scaffolding. Huh?
No, scaffold pike. I think in Lake District.
Oh, alright, yeah.
England's tallest mountain.
Yeah, I'd be up to anyone then.
Yeah, close to town. It happens something like that. What's up? Like to see all the
No,
I don't think it's not.
it's not. I definitely want to join in.
Right?
Yeah, I was going to lean down then, but there he goes.
Oh come on, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
We could get into that section.
No, you definitely can't. You can't get around there. No. We came up from a fair thing.
I'm going to come down and get some photos of that.
Go on. I know. If I didn't have like everything else, I'd be in there. You ain't making it.
No, not much. I was going to leave it.
You are?
I can leave it.
Oh yeah.
And then you leg it back to the car. far west of Brecon.
Yeah. Going in the waterfall. Oh, I'm soaking. I'm about to find out about Sony as well.
Why wouldn't it be over there?
Huh? No, you get swept under.
Oh.
You will get swept under.
You got double POV. Double POV. I'm trying to find them. Don't worry about the dry patch. Stretch for the wet one, my friend.
It's good.
No hand. Let's go into the mist. Risky mountain comes here. Look at now. Oh, get on it. This is great.
Oh, big bomb, they're soaking.
Focus. You said focus.
They're soaking. Don't go under.
I'm not. I'm all right.
Don't go under.
Where I'm going. It's all right.
I went the wrong way. Yes.
I'm on a hill.
There's too many hills in Wales. Way too many. I like hills, but not these ones.
I love hills. Go backwards up a hill feels nice.
Huh? Monkey crawl up the hill.
What does run up the hill?
Go on, monkey crawl.
Come on, Dad. Come on.
Nah, I'm good. So Popple,
Hello.
we've done the 4
me.
waterfalls.
We have.
How did you find them?
2 of them very cold.
They were, yeah.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Yeah, it was really good. I enjoyed it.
It was amazing actually.
Yeah. It was refreshing.
I would have gone back, but there's those steep steps you had to walk up.
He doesn't like steps.
I don't like steps. I've come to realise now I don't like steps.
And I love steps.
Hills,
The band. Yeah, I love actual steps.
hills I can do. Steps, bring my knees up to my head, can't do it. But I've really enjoyed it though.
Me too.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Cheeseburger time now.
Yes.
I'm on low carb diet, but I'm allowed today.
Yeah, and I've not meant to have cheeseburgers, but today I deserve one.
Yeah, he's going to be in hospital next week.
I'll be in hospital again this week.
Yeah. Anyway.
The cheese-
So update, Popple. Where have you been walking for about 5 kilometres, do you say?
yeah, about 5 kilometres in the wrong direction, yeah.
In the wrong direction.
Wasn't my map reading, be honest now, Dandel.
It wasn't my map reading, it was just my sense. I said that's the wrong way.
Map. So when you see a map of the way we've travelled and like the adventure we've had, you're going to see us go in one direction and then go back.
Oh, I'm through mid.
It's because he's got to go up a hill again,
Yep.
and possibly some steps.
Yep. God damn it. Well, I can't believe it. Back the other way. Day 2 of walking back to the car. My companion in the dark, dark nights has lost the form of speech. Isn't that right?
Yeah, hello. I like
We've almost back to the car. I'm dying.
We're nowhere near the car.
We are. How far we got?
How far have we got?
Yeah.
You really want to know?
Yes, I do.
after it's up, we have got 2.2 miles left.
Really?
Yep.
It feels like we've walked 10 so far.
No, we've walked 0.2 of a mile.
Oh, okay. Almost there. Okay. Day 3. We have to go back through the waterfall where you go under it again. This is how we get home. We're like Sam Beckett in Quantum Leap. We're constantly leaping until one day, until one day we get home.
Who am I then?
You've what's his face?
Wow.
Yeah, the hologram guy.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no one coming this way though, that's good. Thank you.
There we go.
Again, should we go back?